So before we go, let's see what do we have ahead of us this week. What do we have this week? And tomorrow being Monday, we have no news. Oh, sorry, we have news at 2 p.m. That is new home sales. We have new home sales tomorrow, 2 p.m., and we are expecting positive news. On Tuesday, we have durable goods orders, core durable goods order, durable goods, and S&P stroke CS composite, all at 12:30. Durable goods at 12:30, and we are expecting core durable goods positive, durable goods order 2 positive. 1 p.m. S&P stroke CS composite, we are expecting positive. 2 p.m. consumer confidence, we are expecting positive. Richmond manufacturing index, we are expecting neutral. That is on Tuesday. On Wednesday, FOMC, that is 10 p.m. So we have no news because by that time we are already asleep. And even that is voila. So on Thursday, we have final GDP, and we are expecting neutral. Unemployment claims, we are expecting negative. Final GDP price index, we are expecting neutral as well. Chicago PMI, we are expecting positive. That is 145. And 2 p.m. pending home sales and consumer sentiment. Pending home sales, we are expecting positive. Consumer sentiment, we are expecting neutral. On Friday is bank holiday or not? Okay. Oh, it's Swiss franc bank holiday, Switzerland, England, all of them, Germany, all of them are having bank holidays because of Good Friday. Canadian bank holidays. The USD, we have news. 12:30, we have core PCE price index, and that is negative. But on Friday, due to Good Friday, I'm not sure I personally will trade. All right, so that's the news we have. And also 3:30 p.m. Fed Chair Powell speaks on Friday. So take note of the fundamentals. All right. So now technicals. First of all, clear the charts and start from weekly time frame. Short. Can you guys see what's happening to gold? Oh, that was madness. That was madness. So you can see that last week, gold flew all the way to 22.22. Okay, flew all the way to 22.22 and dropped all the way to close at 21.65. So what can happen to gold? Now, it is risky. It is risky to predict gold, and the reason is that there is no resistance, no support, but finally, we've been able to get a resistance, weekly resistance, and you can see that the market closed below the resistance, meaning there is a potential for gold to keep dropping. All right, there is a potential for gold to keep dropping. We cannot say much on weekly time frame because if you are looking for the next weekly support, that is here. Who's the one sending those shit messages? Who is that? Can you see nonsense? Guys, ignore, okay? Ignore him. All right, so Looking at gold, the next support on daily, on weekly time frame, we can also see this one here as a weekly support. Okay, so we have these two support, but the major support is at 2073. Major support 2073 according to weekly time frame. So daily time frame, what is happening to gold? Now, if you look at daily time frame, can you see what is happening? According to daily, this is what we have. We have daily support, daily resistance right here, and we can see that gold respected the daily resistance, pushed, and has now also retested the daily support. So gold is ranging in this zone. Okay, so we should expect a breakout from this zone before we can see if gold wants to push down or push up, right? And those of you who attended the lectures, this is supposed to be an evening star pattern, but look at how it closed. If it has closed below 2157, then that will be a nice evening star for the market to keep dropping. But look at where it closed, below above the opening of the previous bullish candle. So this cannot be an evening star for me. All right, so we will still wait until we see something clearer before we can go into the market. Now, if you look at H4, you can see that H4 is dropping, right? You can see that H4 is dropping after testing, breaking this 2182 level. It came all the way to the support zone and has been respected. So we should expect a breakout. Okay, for gold to keep selling down, we should expect a breakout from this zone. Then gold can push all the way to 2073. Until then, the market can still go up again. But if you look at here, you can see a nice bearish engulfing. All right, so this can be a pullback, but a pullback sitting on a support zone is not a joke. So don't say, okay, I see bearish engulfing, and this is a pullback candle, so let me sell gold. You sell with reason, okay? You should sell with reason because this is not an ordinary zone. So for you to keep selling gold, it has to break this level. All right. So now we have resistance, H4 resistance, and H4 support. Okay, H4 resistance and H4 support. Let's wait for a break to any of the levels so that we can see the next level for gold. All right, so we have two resistance levels for gold right now. First resistance, second resistance. So H1, you can see that H12 gave us a bullish engulfing after testing the support. But remember this is a breakout level. So this is also a pullback to the breakout for a continuation sell. But due to the fact that it is sitting on a support, now I will advise you to wait. So this is a previous support which has been broken. Now there is also another support which has been respected. So can this be a break and retest? And it is yes. This is a break and retest, but you have to get a confirmation that the market is ready to sell down before you can go into this trade. All right. So if you look at 30 minutes, you can see a nice level breakout, right? So a pullback, a continuation sell, but you need to get a confirmation first because this is a morning star. A nice morning star, 30 minutes morning star on a strong support zone. All right. So just sit back and watch. Okay. Watch and see how things are going to be done. Then you can go into the markets and trade. Okay. So guys, this is what I see on gold. If you have any question, you can unmute yourself and ask. Guys, any question? Okay. So if you have no question, then that is what we have this week. So I will advise you just wait. Okay. Just wait and see how the market is going to react so that you can also go into it and trade. So I will see you guys tomorrow. If within 1 minute nobody asks a question, then that's the end of today. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And like I said, from tomorrow, we are going to have classes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, provided we have electricity. Okay, so you guys should pray that electricity will be available for us throughout the week. Okay, throughout the week, so that we can actually catch up on those sessions we couldn't hold. Okay, yeah, and also watch out for the 1% target a week, 1% weekly target. Maybe by tomorrow I will talk about it. I'm still putting things in place to make sure it becomes a success. All right. So guys, thank you all for coming, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.